Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up auto reply on your Facebook page Messenger. So let's get started. Now, once you're inside your page's Messenger, go to the tools right at the bottom. Then under automatic responses, just choose frequently asked questions. Now, this is where you can create automatic responses for your page. You'll see different types of auto replies you can set up, and the most common one is the quick replies to frequently asked questions. You can also do the same to similar questions. Now, this sends a message automatically as soon as someone messages your page. Just simply turn it on, then edit the message to something like a greeting or a quick "we'll get back to you soon." And you can also add your own questions. And to add your questions, simply tap the add questions at the very bottom. Type both the question and the answer, then tap save once you're done. And basically, that's it. That's how you set up auto reply on your Facebook page Messenger in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.